Hey guys, welcome back to the day 3 of the series which I've started, me talking to the camera. And in today's video, I would love talking about myself, telling you what I love, what are my strengths, and so kind of things. So the thing which I love about myself is the confidence which I have, or the braveness of mine to put up the things which I record, edit in the social media, which many of the people don't have. I have that, and I love this thing about myself. Second is that attitude of not giving up. I'm not saying that I've came so far, like making content and all kind of thing, but still, I there is a pretty much time spent. Look, this is what happens like when we speak English. No, this is what happens. But still, I'll speak. Judge me if you want, but still, I'll speak. That pretty much of time have spent pretty much of time I've spent in the content creation, but still if I'm not getting that follower, but it's okay. I'll give it a try. I'll do it for my happiness. So this is the a thing I love about myself is the not giving attitude, not giving up attitude. And the other thing I love about myself is like this is what happens, we don't even know our strengths. So just whenever you got time, just sit and note what you love, what is your strengths, what is your weakness. Now if I am making this video without any script, without anything, I just opened the camera and thought to make the reel of the day 3, telling up my strengths and weakness, but I'm blank. After that, I love my confidence, I love my not giving up attitude. I have more than this, but I can't able to recall at the time when I want them. So just whenever you got time, sit and write what is your weakness, what you don't like, what you like. So this will make your life a bit easier when you clarify, when you identify the things you adore, you love. Now see, I'm blank after giving 2 sentences, even though I know my weakness. Look, this is what happens. Weakness. I know how to pronounce W, B, and V, but when we talk, no, everything is blunder. Everything is blunder. So we need to talk in order to improve. So just open the camera, stand in front of the mirror, and speak on your shit topics like what you have did today. How was the college? How was the day? How was the food? Talk to yourself so that you get a good pronunciation, you get the good, vocabulary, you get the good way of speaking words, right? Yes. Okay, so this is all about for the today's video. I know that many of you are pro in this, you know everything about you, but many people are there, like me, who can't speak about their self, not for even just 1 minute, but had this practice. So learn from my mistake that I asked myself that what I love myself, what I asked myself that who I am, but I'm not able to answer it. So don't repeat this mistake. Get a time, write about yourself. So if anyone will ask, you have something about yourself and you know yourself. So yes.